Hey y'all, so we're jumping right into this video today. This unit is from Nadula Hair. They sent me their new glueless 2.0 pull on and go unit. They've made a little upgrade for you guys that makes a huge difference. So this is a 7x5 pre-plucked, pre-bleached Yaki straight unit. Y'all, let me tell you right now, this does not take a long time to put on. It is super quick. So let me show you their upgrade right here in the back. So this now has the drawstring. I'm showing you right here the incorrect way to do this. By just pulling the larger button down, it won't keep the drawstring secure and will end up loosening up. So what you want to do is pull the larger button down and then take the smaller one right at the top and slide it right like I'm doing right here on one of the elastic sides, and that will keep your drawstring nice and tight and stops it from loosening it up. So this is a really good upgrade, you guys. So whether you have a small head or a bigger head like myself, you got a little bit more say so, a little bit more, I don't know, customization, that's a good word, as far as how your wig is going to fit. It's just gonna fit better. The lace is gonna be a little bit more seamless as well, and it's just gonna be a lot more comfortable for you. So this is how we're looking right when I just popped it on, y'all. I really could have just left it like this, especially if you are a no edges girly, but that is not me. That is not, no, we are definitely about to lay some edges. Y'all, I am just getting over a cold or something. I have no freaking clue what it was, so I apologize if my voice sounds a little awkward, but yeah. So at this point, you guys, I was gonna lay my edges, but then I was like, it's a little warm in Connecticut today. We've had some warm days, y'all. Today it's like 80 degrees in November. So I was like, let me put a little dab of hairspray right here and lay this mug down. You really could go without this, especially as it gets cooler, but it only took me like 20 seconds to add the spray and blow dry it down, y'all. My son is 8 now. Yes, Isaiah is now 8, and we're always moving and grooving. We're playing swords. He's always flipping and I'm always chasing after him outside, throwing a football this day, whatever. I don't know. I'm just trying to keep up with him, basically. So I had to make sure everything was going to stay in place. However, if it was just date night or something like that, this wig is so secure right now. Just using my foam, because y'all know I'm using my Design Essentials foam to lay my edges, would have been enough security for me if I wasn't doing the most on this beautiful day that we had. So yeah, you guys are just gonna finish up doing this. Let me show you guys. This is one of my biggest tips that I have for you guys. So after I lay my edges, you guys are gonna see me put extra foam right on top of my hairline, like just right on the hairline, and then just brush it all the way back. Use my little edge brush, I guess, whatever you got, to really mold the hair and get it. This is kind of like just laying that front part down. This is what really gets me that seamless, that melted lace that y'all love that I do. If you're not adding this step and then using your black strip along with an elastic headband, you're doing it wrong, and I'm here to show you exactly how to do it the right way. Y'all, look how good that front looks, y'all. Y'all can't tell me it does not look nice and melted. Looks so good. Of course, that has to do with the wig itself. This lace is not thick. The wig already came pre-plugged, all ready for you to just pull on and go. But of course, it also has to do with technique and product. So just, this is a key. This is key. If the front of your hair is not exactly how you want it, it's not melted or anything like that, more than likely, you're not gonna like the rest of it. So next, you guys, just using my wax stick hot comb combination, getting that part melted, not melted, as flat as possible, because we don't need to melt the part. We need to make it as flat as possible, you guys. And don't forget, wherever you put the wax stick, make sure you hit it with the hot comb as well. And really quickly, this hair is everything. It's beautiful, it's soft, the texture is perfect. I'm telling you, Nadula has the Yaki texture down to a T, you guys. It's got movement and the right amount of shine, you guys. This is such a good unit right here. So just depending your style, you could definitely just leave the unit like this. I'm gonna add a little bit of layers to the front just to kind of break up the one length. I'm not doing too much, just some kind of, they're a little bit bold, a little few like short layers, just because why not? And also I'm going to clip my ends just a bit. I do this with every single unit, you guys. Just kind of clean up your ends just a tiny bit. Didn't really need that much. do it or don't do it. It's totally up to you, you guys. And then just some finishing touches. So this unit takes heat very well. It takes straightening. I'm gonna say that. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. It takes straightening very well. That's just Yaki, period. I love wearing Yaki texture straight. For me, curling is not the best. I'm being honest with you guys. And if you worked with Yaki, definitely have to like put it in rollers overnight. You've got to kind of do a little bit more as far as just getting the curls to stay. So I love this unit straight. I did hit it, just curl the ends just a bit with my little wavy talk here, add a little bit of bronzer to make everything all nice and seamless, a little bit of blush as well, just getting these final touches together. And then I'm gonna show you guys the final look for if you just wanted to wear it down super sleek and cute like I'm doing right here. All right, y'all, so next style, something really cute. I always wear this style. Actually, I always wear it like in one bun, but I'm gonna do two this go around. But I like doing it for my son's games. It's just cute and it's quick. I'm just gonna do two little buns, little spike buns, real quick, real simple. So this hair is long, so all I'm doing is just parting each section out, taking my elastic, making sure everything is all smooth. And once you tie your hair around, the last tie, you're just gonna like create a little bun with it. Like just don't pull all the way through. And then you're gonna take the rest of the hair and wrap it all the way around your bun. Get you some bobby pins. You can use hairspray if you need to. I chose not to, it didn't need it for me. And then just secure it and you're all set. And then once I got my space buns exactly how I wanted to, I just grabbed my wavy talk again and just curled the front two pieces, right, you know, of course, my little bang area. And then just put a slight little curl throughout the rest of my hair. It didn't hold too well, honestly, but this look doesn't need to have like tight curls or anything like that. I just wanted for like a little bit of wave and I was good to go, you guys. So that's it, you guys. I'm gonna finish up this look. Make sure you guys check the description box. I will put everything that y'all need down there, like always, the direct link to this unit. Y'all, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, honestly, this is going to be my go-to unit for a good minute. It is a really easy, quick, you just look so put together without having to do the most. The upgrade definitely secured the unit. The hair is beautiful. It's always good. This Yaki texture is amazing. It's soft. It's everything, you guys. Make sure you check the description box. I'll have everything you guys need down there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like this video and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. Nadula.